Good morning, crypto family. I'm back with another video. Hey man, we're sitting at 2172, up 1%. I mean, we're still bullish, you know what I'm saying? And we're still up some. And congratulate to anybody who bought at the low 1800s a couple days ago. But right now, what we're looking forward to, we are looking for this this super cycle. And as you guys see, usually when we retrace, we usually, we stay at the bottom for a little bit, but we bounce back up. Now, with the whole market, let's get to Bitcoin right quick before we get into the real news. You guys see Bitcoin sitting at $65,000 right now, about to break 66,000. And with this charts right now, as you guys see, it has been holding steady. A lot of people have been putting, buys on Bitcoin. A lot of people expect Bitcoin to touch 100,000. A lot of people believe that Bitcoin will retrace back to $50,000. Family, I know you guys hold multiple digital assets, but one of your bags is Elon, and you hold a shit ton of it. Now, back in the day when Dogelon shot up to the high 2,500, people who had 3 or 4 billion tokens, they were up by what, 5-6 grand or even more. Now, with this next super cycle, that we have never experienced, you even heard in the spaces, when was it? Thursday. It was Thursday. The connection was pretty bad on the space with Dogelon Warriors and Dogelon God. And we were speaking about, Sergeant was saying, we can see higher numbers. So again, we are connected to layer 2. Layer 2, everybody working with layer 3, web 3, but layer 2, it's where it's at. All right. Now, as you guys see here, Dogelon Enigma reborn anew from the remnants of the old. New being, new form, burning so bright, a fire in the night, flying freely through the red sky. Shout out to Dogelon Enigma. Family, don't you guys know you guys are going to be wealthy? Do you guys know that? I don't think you guys really know what's about to happen. New, IMF recognizes Bitcoin as a savings tool for individuals in high inflation countries. We are winning. Now, as you guys see, American presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy Jr. wants to put the entire United States budget on blockchain, which it will be very huge, okay? It's definitely going to be crazy. But let me show you the market right quick. As you guys see here on Gecko Terminal, we're sitting at 2162, and we have more buys than sells. This is the minute chart right here, what you guys see. All right. But if it's not our generation that are buying or accumulating these digital assets, it's these teenagers. And these teenagers are not scared to invest. Of course, they're young. They ain't got that much responsibility. They don't have any, major crazy bills. But they are willing to take a risk of having freedom to jump into the market. Now, of course, they're going to put teenagers are pouring into the stock market, but that's what they want you to believe, okay? Now, this is what she said. This is what it is. The 17-year-old high school junior in the Chicago suburbs now has several $1,000s invested in accounts set up by her father at Charles Schwab, Edward Jones, and Robinhood. I've always had a business mindset of wanting to make money, and I'm very okay with taking risks, says Sophia, who invests in stocks such as Tesla, Apple, and Amazon.com. There's really no minimum age to start. And you guys started out in a great time with this whole digital asset space. That's what you have to understand. Family, we're about to go crazy, man. It's about to go crazy. I see what is about to come. You guys seen the last video I streamed where Charlie Schramm was talking about, how we're going to have this massive melt up. And I can already see it. We will have a massive melt up. Now, with Dogelon Mars and all these other digital assets that are holding steady, of course, we're pumping, but we're not pumping to the expectations that, we expect. But, it's still early. We just came after the half, and it was what, 3 days ago. We're about to see something crazy. So you guys stay tuned. I appreciate you guys tapping in. I know this feels like a short video, but there will be more. Hey, I'm sitting back. I'm sitting back because I know where I'm going to be at. I know where you all going to be at. You guys are going to be happy that you invested into Dogelon. Not just that, just understanding the fundamentals of holding and trading and learning how to, transfer different digital assets to other wallets. Family, we are here, family, and we're locked in. Have a good morning. I got to head to work, family. Peace out.